Hayi ke bantwana 27 bantwa bakhe. Phandle nabele abanye abaphika.
23 ulapha ebonzeni. Solo sibhizi siyahebula. Usho
ukuthi lo mina anoma sesikuthi nje kube ligama wasiyaguglisha.
This is Sergeant Aknak Pruuuu, and I'm conducting experiment number 24 on how to kill your employees without any problems.
Asiwe mini awusuka lini madoda dlala bedlala dingo tiyenteka na exactly 3 minutes ha ngisela semgomdlovu uyabona Officer Polony nakukhulunywa ngakuthi umuntu ungqi ukhulunywa ngasiyagedla
yathi ngiyabhala ngibhizi nini uthakasa kangako nenjani
hayi nakusuka dingo tiyakwendekela kwendekela into lenteke kimi jackpot sengisikile baba
hayi wena
asiweni
hayi wena man
zabathakathi
brand new
ya nalothi ngifuna ukufaka isound ngifuna ukufika auto-zone ngifuna auto-zone aseningiyendele nayo into nayo ihlangane ngifuna ukuthi lokubili ijana lona kunyiwe
hayi sister
isikile baba
man ukhokhe stolo ukhokhe nje stolo
hayi phela vele imoto ephuma esitolo but lesami kulese second
bayisutela kanti
bayisutela ini ngoba phela imoto ngifake car wash
akushintshe
phela leyo ngifike car wash le
akushintshe
kuthi lo muntu asilenda sisibhubukade lesa bonqabona kolathi
noma ngabe kasilenda ayini soleni kumsudu wemuntu
hayi wena
iyafana wona nje lena
hayi ngomshina but ngomshina ukhola sesaquthelana khona nalokunye kwe-Honda Fit ngithi la ngithi ngiyakubuka la sibona ngasakubona ngasinyojiko ngithina beseyishona le Honda Fit khanza lo baba sekavula ibonnet ngithi mina kwentekele mina
iphi nyalo ila ngaphandle ila ngaphandle
ila ngaphandle
asami soyibona phela ipake
ngipake lapha ku parking bay number 3 yini manje thosi yini
ngelemba na wathi number 3 wami
yathi niyahlekisana ungathana ungaba nemasoko sikethi acathi lobo ude yebo wena phela ku-athi ukuthi wena ungaba ne-parking zone ube ude imoto uthi nombolo 3 wakho wani useless
shothi lo ungawusebenzisi number 3 shothi wena ufuna uthatha
obvious lokho akuthini ukuthi size sidebate lo
umuntu into angayisebenzisi bese bayayithatha kuyi
yababa kufana nakwekuthi nje wena okay unalo nje license
Gedlembane akukufuni lokho wena mina nangabe nginemabele lawo shothi nangingaba ngiwasebenzisi lawo kufuna bathatha bawanikele omunye
akusho lokho but nje uyabona Officer Polony nangabe utawukhulumisana nje into lengahambelana nesihloko uyabona le chathi
yena phela Gedlembane ngeke ukuthi lokho akuhambelana nesihloko upake parking bay yami
hayi wena phela ngithi phela le moto eyinshana nawe ndabo kusida angithi phela wena Polony ufana nesona uwakithi ndabo kubooster like njengemalift
Gedlembane angidzingi lift yakho uyangibothi ngifika el kanjani mina ngilishukela lelingiletha la ekuseni njalo angidzingi imoto yakho
awuhike nje wena
angihike mina wena hamba ususa imoto yakho ku parking bay number 3 otherwise Gedlembane angifuni isicabane susa imoto yakho
no na ukhuluma kanjalo ukuthi inkinga ngiyisusa lapha but kwathi ukuthi usetawuhike baba ngoba ngiyabatla bushuka abantu bakhona namhla banawe kusasa kunjanjanyana meke ngiyakwathi kuhike uhike kuzibe ebuhlungu lehlathi
susa imoto yakho
khanga le moto ufuna ukuthi ungahleki
susa imoto yakho Gedlembane singacabanga
susa bathi usetawuhike leya isiyo udlala le
anginanzaba hamba ususa le moto yakho lapha Gedlembane
ngayikhipha ngoba phela nyalo ngisanza kufundzela lo mina le yami le bekuyikhanze ina lo khanza lo basanza kufundzela bafaka bo L tafaka M uyathi sumele lo M
angathi
umele
mpetha susa imoto yakho mpetha ngamane ngihike hamba ususa imoto yakho Gedlembane bye bye hamba Gedlembane angidzingi ma-tips akho Gedlembane hamba Gedlembane yes Mr. Aknak
Do the thing.
yes sir Mr. Aknak Pruuuu.
How can I help you?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Sir, I have a problem, sir. You see, Detective Gedlembane is using my space now.
What space?
The one for parking, sir. Parking bay number 3.
So where did you park your car?
For now, I don't have a car, sir.
So you're telling me that he parked his car in your parking space, but you don't have a car. What are you complaining about?
Sir, when you hired me in this place, you gave me parking bay number 3 as my parking space, you see. So now he's using my space. He shouldn't choose my space. You should give him his space as well.
Detective Gedlembane is contributing a lot to the police station, so he can also use the space. So I don't know what's the problem.
So you mean, say, because I don't have a car and I don't contribute a lot, he should take my space? Say, the boys at the garage, they are fixing my bicycle. Next week
I don't have time. Just I'm busy with something right now. Come back later. We'll sort it out. Come back.
But this is not fair for me, sir. It should move the Mr. Gedlembane's
I told you
car.
not to disturb me when I come with something serious. You're coming telling me about your joking things. What do I care about space?
Hayi man, Officer Polony man, Nkosami sengiyawupaka phi lapha manje sawuhlehleni ndana. Ngipake phi ke mina manje?
Angithi wena ngisebenzisa ispace sami.
Yebo.
Sengiyasebenzisa ke nyalo Gedlembane.
Hayi man kwento umona man. Uyathi ngicabanga ukuthi lento basuke badlala nabathi phumelele ukuthi asuyawubona umona. Ngibe wrong ngalokusika le moto ka wena wababethe. Swathi ngibe wrong.
Thatha imoto yakho Gedlembane upake ngaphandle. Lana kupaka mina ngimtshelile umphathi wakho Aknak ukuthi next week ibhayisikili lami liyabuya ndawupaka lona la. Nyalo ngisebenzisa space sami ngoba wena uthi angisebenzisa.
Yes.
Imoto yakho Gedlembane uphume nayo.
Hayi akunankinga. But le ngitakusho mina lokunye ukuthi imoto le. Imoto ingento nobe yini? Yeba bekhweshisa. Wekhweshisa lapha. Yeah, this pastor is that you don't want to just go away. I just want to park here, Mr. Aknak. He's refusing this one.
Stop the car, let me talk to you.
This parker is full of jealous.
You see me?
He's always jealous.
You see me?
I bought this one.
I told you. Why are you trying to run him off?
Yeah, I
don't
wanted
run him
to offer him now and then.
But you don't run him over, Gedlembane. What?
You see now. We should have a little.
Come out.
We should have a little. Do you see this? Who's that? Which car is this? Which car is this? You see, Mr. Aknak. You see, Mr. Aknak. I told you a long time ago, take this thing and put it in psychiatric center. Take this back and put it in psychiatric center next to Zakele.